Welcome to our YouTube channel Info News Diary. Today we are going to discuss the rift between two social media giants Meta and Twitter. The rift between Meta and Twitter is a result of a number of factors, including the development of Meta's Threads app. Threads is a new social media app from Meta that is designed to be a more intimate and personal experience than Twitter. It has been seen as a direct competitor to Twitter and has led to some tension between the two companies. The rift between Meta and Twitter is likely to continue for some time. The two companies are direct competitors, and they have different visions for the future of social media. This is likely to lead to further tension and disagreements between them. Here are some additional details about the rift between Meta and Twitter. The development of Meta's Threads app. Threads was first announced in April 2022. It is designed to be a more personal and intimate experience than Twitter. Users can share photos, videos, and text with their close friends and family. Threads is also integrated with Instagram, so users can easily share content between the two platforms. The acquisition of Twitter by Elon Musk. Musk acquired Twitter in October 2022. He has since made a number of changes to the platform, including removing the blue check verification badge, limiting the number of tweets that users can see per day, making it easier for users to edit their tweets. The different approaches to moderation. Meta and Twitter have different approaches to moderating content on their platforms. Meta is more hands-off, while Twitter is more aggressive. This difference in approach has led to some disagreements between the two companies, as they have different views on what constitutes acceptable content. For example, Meta has been criticized for allowing hate speech and misinformation to spread on its platforms. Twitter, on the other hand, has been criticized for being too quick to ban users and remove content. The rift between Meta and Twitter is likely to continue for some time. The two companies are direct competitors, and they have different visions for the future of social media. This is likely to lead to further tension and disagreements between them. Which one is better, Threads or Twitter? Twitter and Threads are both social media platforms with their own strengths and weaknesses. It really depends on what you are looking for in a social media platform to decide which one is better for you. Here is a comparison of the two platforms. Twitter. Pros. Larger user base. More features, such as polls, spaces, and fleets. More integrations with other platforms, such as Spotify and YouTube. Cons. Can be overwhelming for some users. Can be a breeding ground for trolls and misinformation. Threads. Pros. More intimate and personal experience. Less overwhelming than Twitter. More focused on sharing photos and videos. Cons. Smaller user base. Fewer features. Not as integrated with other platforms. Ultimately, the best social media platform for you will depend on your individual needs and preferences. If you are looking for a platform with a large user base and a wide range of features, then Twitter is a good option. If you are looking for a more intimate and personal experience, then Threads is a good option. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more informative videos.